mysteries, as in the discovery yet to be discovered. And
yeah, archaeological.
yeah, it's amazing. There's a lot to learn yet.
The best part of Belize, for me personally,
Yes.
would be the jungles.
The jungles.
Yeah, I enjoy the jungles.
Just hiking through it, or for the Mayan ruins inside, or
More for, it's not to say untapped resources, but just for the scenery, to be able to see the jungles and the mountains, especially going through Stan Creek. Stan Creek, Belmopan, Cayo, those areas, those are really nice. Really nice areas, nice clean water, a lot of vegetations. But it's good.
Ruins,
the ruins.
the river, the people, everything.
Belize, well, here in Cayo, San Ignacio, in Benguet, and the ruins in Belize, San Pedro Island.
Okay.
Not to want to sound, pompous or anything like that. Everything about Belize is good. Yeah.
Even the weather.
Absolutely.
That's
Yeah.
pretty-
We have two seasons here. Wet and dry.
Yeah.
And they usually happen on the same day. And that's super. Everything about Belize is great. If I am allowed to take a short poem from a novel written about the Aztecs, and I can use that to describe Belize, this is what I would say. Once, when nothing was but night, they gathered in a time forgotten, all the gods of greatest might, to plan the dawn of day and light, right here in Belize. No, everything about Belize is where I think the gods intended it to be. And our national anthem originally was Land of the Gods, which when I sing our national anthem, I still use it. When we became independent, someone somewhere decided to call it Land of the Free. Whenever I hear the word free, I go on alert, and nothing's free. I get real nervy, and when people get nervy, people get hurt. So we should have kept that name, Land of the Gods. We truly are the Land of the Gods. We have, for such a small country, we have more different ethnicities in Belize than in any other country per square mile in the world. We have very good climate everywhere you go. We have the second largest barrier reef in the world. We have the longest barrier reef in the Western Hemisphere. It runs the entire coast of the country. We have flatlands up north. We have hill country where you are right now in the west. We have our coastal plains running the entire eastern seaboard of the country. We have very lush forests down south, pristine, where you get 150 inches of rain a year easily. So you can be inland where you are right now. Belize is only 178 miles long as the crow flies in a straight line, and 68 miles wide. That's the mainland. So you could be here in San Ignacio, and in 2 hours you could be out on the islands for like $50, 25 US, and that's super. Most of our country is still pristine. I think 60% of more of our country is set aside as reserves or parks. If it's a national park, you cannot unpark it.
Yeah.
It remains one. Reserves, you can eventually unreserve them and do private development. Like I said, the ethnicity here, I think that I see about Belize is particular for locals, which would be Creoles, Mestizos, and a few other ethnic groups. Sometimes it's hard for one to say where one bloodline ends and the other ethnic group starts. There's so much inter-ethnicity mixing. Again, if I may, I do not use the word race to describe more than one people. Race is a scientific term. It's not a socio-economic, geopolitical term. It's a scientific term. It means us, all of us. There's no different race. You could have ethnicities and categories of ethnicities, but there's only one race. So I do not believe in using the word race to describe another ethnic group. That's a different ethnicity. We are all identical. The chromosome count is the same. We all have hair, 2 eyes, 2 nose holes, everything. We're identical in every way except for color, height, structure, bone structure. But we are identical. So I do not use race to describe another ethnic group. I call them a different ethnic group. Because even within some ethnic group, the range of colors run from very light to very black. So, but that's besides the point. That's not geography, and I'm not a scientist. Yeah, so the best thing about Belize is the terrain, its location. We sit, 16 degrees above the equator. We're subtropical. You go from up north, bordering the Yucatan. We're actually part of the Yucatan Peninsula, to down south. So you can go from 6 inches of rainfall a year, and within less than, within 150 miles, you're averaging 160 inches rainfall a year. You can go from hills, which we call mountains. We don't have mountains here, to coastal plain. We have deltas, we have marshland, we have savannas, pine forests, pristine, subtropical, broadleaf forest, you name it. And then the blend of people here, hey man, we're in heaven.